Hi everyone! Today I'm going to go over the alphabet sounds with you. Listen carefully. Let's start. A. Apple. Ant. Arrow. Ambulance. B. Ball. Basket. Butterfly. Boat. C. Cat. Cupcake. Candy cane. Car. D. Duck. Dog. Donkey. Doll. E. Elephant. Egg. Envelope. Eggplant. F. Fish. Fan. Frog. Fence. G. Gift. Grapes. Goose. Girl. H. House. Honey. Hat. Hamster. I. Iguana. Ink. Igloo. Indigo. J. Juice. Jam. Jacket. Jigsaw. K. Kite. Koala. Kettle. Key. L. Lion. Lime. Ladybug. Lollipop. M. Monkey. Motorbike. Mouse. Mango. N. Nest. Net. Noodles. 9. O. Ox. Octopus. Ostrich. On and off. P. Pig. Pumpkin. Pea. Parrot. Q. Queen. Squid. Square. Squirrel. R. Rainbow. Rocket. Robot. Rabbit. S. Snake. Sock. Sandwich. Sunglasses. T. Turtle. Tomato. Tennis. Truck. U. Umbrella. Under. Underwear. Upside down. V. Van. Vase. Violin. Vegetables. W, whale, window, wagon, watch. X, X-ray, Xmas tree, box, 6. Y, yo-yo, yarn, yoke, yacht. Z, zebra, zipper, zero, zigzag. And now you know all of the alphabet sounds. It's easy, it's enjoyable, and it works here at Phonics First. Thanks for watching.